How to record your screen on MacBook along with your voice and your face cam. So let's get right to it. You're going to press Command, Shift and 5 and you can see this little camera icon that is popped up, right? Along with this bar down here with different options. So these three options on the side are to take a screenshot. So if I click on this, that means, and I click, that means it has taken a screenshot. Again, I'm going to press Command, Shift and 5. This is to take a screenshot of a selected window and this of a selected portion. But we are not taking screenshots, we're going to record. So these two options here that you see are to record the entire screen and to record a selected portion of the screen. So let us test it out. If I select this portion and I press record, and once it is recording, you can see on the top there is this small icon, right? A circle with a square in it. This means that a recording is ongoing. If I click on that, means the recording stops. And you can see that the file is over here, right? Now let me click on it. As you can see in this, that it has recorded only a small portion. It has not recorded the entire screen. Now if I press Command, Shift and 5 again, and I say record the entire screen, and I just click. Now you can see that it is recording again. And if I press stop, it has recorded. Now it has recorded the entire screen. Now there are some other options that are very useful to know. So if I click on the options button over here you can decide where your file is getting saved. Mine is getting saved to the desktop, which is the default setting. You can set a timer if you wish to. And most importantly, over here is the microphone setting. So right now my MacBook microphone is selected. So by default, my voice, which is being spoken into this microphone externally, gets recorded. If I do not want any audio, then I am just going to click on none and I'm going to press record. So now I am talking, I am chit-chatting, hello 1, 2, 3, it is recording, I stop it and you can see that, let me play this. You can see that there is no audio to this, right? Now, in comparison, if I press record again, and in options, I select this microphone, right? And let's say record. And now mic test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we are recording. Say stop, we open this recording. And as you can see, automatically, there's a sound option that has popped up here. And if I play it, 1, 2, 3, we are recording. You can see that the audio is recorded. So this is how you can record the screen with your voice. In case you wish to connect an external microphone, you can connect it to your MacBook, and once connected, it should show up in the microphones over here. Like you can see my iPhone's microphone does show up over here, right? Do note that whichever microphone is connected, it will only record voices or audio that is being looped back into the microphone of the Mac. What this means is that if you have a Zoom call going on, if you have a Google Meet going on and you are recording these calls, audio will be recorded. But if you are playing any video in the background, if you're playing a YouTube video in the background, right, these audios will not get recorded and they are a part of the internal audio of the system. So if you want to know how to record your internal audio along with the external audio, I have created another video on this. Link is in the description. And now let's get to the fun part, which is how do you record your face along with the screen recording, right? So for this, I'm going to press Command Space and I'm going to open QuickTime Player. Now once QuickTime Player is open, up here you can see QuickTime Player. Over here, I am going to click File and I'm going to click a new movie recording. It is, yes. As you can see, I am recording this video with my iPhone. So this opens up the webcam or the camera of your MacBook. I'm going to make this really small now. So this is very useful if you are recording lesson plans for your, where you need a screen recording in the background and you also need to see your face, or if you do gaming, right? But now what ends up happening is I have this face cam showing over here, and if I open settings, it will overlap on it, and we do not want this to happen. So I'm going to come back to the QuickTime, and in View, I'm going to click Float on Top. So this means that no matter what application is opened, it will go behind it. And let's record and see, right? Now if I say Command, Shift and 5 and record the entire screen, yes. So you can see it is recording. So my voice is also recording because I've selected the microphone. There is a screen recording happening in the back. If I change anything from here, these changes are seen and my face is recorded. Let's say stop and watch it. So my voice is also recording because I've selected the microphone. There is a screen recording happening in the back. If I change anything from here, these changes. Yes. So, well, that is how you can record your screen on your MacBook along with your voice and your face cam. Hope you found this video useful. Bye-bye.